Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable digital well-being widget on the lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, you want to go down and tap on lock screen. Then go down and tap on widgets. Next, tap on digital well-being. So tap on the switch to turn it off or turn it on, and then tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Now to view the widget, we will lock the screen and go to the lock screen. In the lock screen, you can tap on the clock icon, and in here, if you go down, you can see it will show you information from the digital well-being, such as how much time you spend on an app. In here, it's got PUBG Mobile. It's got information about settings and messages, and the total screen time is 2 hours and 26 minutes. And if you tap on that, you can go into your phone to get more details of your usage in digital well-being. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.